Welcome to Real Estate Minute. I'm Tim Matthews, and today I'm joined with Stephen Benedict, electrician with Benedict Family Electrical. Today's question is, what's some of the problems with knob and tube and aluminum wiring?
Well, knob and tube mainly is because of its age and its ability back in the day to be treated wrong by oversizing fuses and such, which compromises the insulation on the wire, which leads to fires, basically. And same idea with aluminum. It's because of the age when it was installed and the fact that if it's not treated right, yet again, it leads to typically fires or small damage to people's houses.